Work, damn you! Work! Ah! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Vinny Project Vivaro, our 2004 Vivaro that we're doing stuff to. Hopefully this will be a little quick one. My hazard light is a little, well, hazard light switch is a little bit dodgy, so I bought a new one off of Fleabay, and it was for, I think it was £4.76 or something, or 74. And we're going to try and change it. Now I'm going to try and be cheeky and see if I can get this out without taking the whole cowl off. It might not work, but I've got a new one, so what we got to lose? Let's have a look and see what we can do. And if you like what we're doing here, just take a couple of seconds, give us a thumbs up please. So I hope you can see this okay. Now I've got a new one of these. Obviously that pops in, and I'm guessing to release it properly you need to undo the screws on this panel, unless we can get in there. But what I'm going to try and do is pop that out, or pop the front off and see if it will pop out. I don't know if this will work. Let's try it. That's working now, look, typical. But I think that's easy. Oh my god, look at the mess in there. Ew. I wonder if that'll pop out there. Needs a bit of a firmer hand. Yes. Oh, mark that a bit. Might be worth putting a bit of tape on that next time. And that just pops off. I'm guessing like oh, duh. Yes, so there's a little thing on the side, pulls out, and then hopefully, yes, that's working. Alright, I will pop this back in a sec, but first of all I've got to vacuum that out. That is minging. I'll show you. This isn't pleasant. Ew. That's a little bit better, isn't it? Right, so we need to put this one back in. The plug's obviously got a little lug on the bottom there. There's a little slot for it to go in, so I'm hoping should be just as easy as. There you go. Perfect. Nice, quick and easy. There we go. Lovely, nice, easy job. And it only took a couple minutes and just needed a screwdriver with a little bit of tape on the edge. So yeah, if you do it like that, just protect the edge, protect the plastic. So that's that little job done. Few minutes, proper job. Right, thank you so much for watching. If this was of some use to you, please give us a thumbs up. Helps the channel grow, all the YouTube analytics and all that malarkey. I don't know how it works, but apparently it helps. So yeah, if it's any good to you, if it helped, give us a thumbs up. Also, check us out on Instagram, larks_workshop. Always lots of sneak peeks going on there and stuff we don't put on the channel. It might be of some use to you or anybody else. If you know anybody who's got a Vivaro, who's got a problem, I think the Vivaro, Traffic and Primastar, around about the same age. I don't know what year up to. This is 2004. All the same vans, more or less. So if they got that same problem, get them to do it, because it was £4, I've got to look now, £4.74 from eBay, and took a few minutes. It's probably taken longer for you to watch this than it did fix it, because I'm yabbering on. But hey, there we go. Like I said before, thank you very much for watching. Thank you NHS for looking after us, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then! Done and dusted and... what a load of rubbish.